Yeah, yeah, I put the mobile hotspot, but Jio is not working here. आपका कौन सा network है sir? What's your Jio? But still it's working well. He will see. इस बिल्डिंग में है नहीं इधर दिखा है स्पेस is this working? ये फ्लक्चुएटिंग है आपका कौन सा सिम है? आई थिंक हाँ एक इसको चेंज करते हैं ठीक है Okay. This is not required. But this is not required, right? Microphone is not required.
Why is it required to use the microphone?
Is it required?
The common use microphone. Can use.
Or can we?
We can use some, we can use.
Hello, hello, hello. Yeah.
Can we start then?
Hello, hello. Good afternoon to everyone present. I, on behalf of Willam Carey University, Meghalaya, extend our heartfelt gratitude to all media representatives who have joined us today. Your support for our university and its students is greatly appreciated. We are thrilled to announce a significant milestone for our university. Today, August 9, 2024, Willam Carey University will sign a memorandum of understanding with our new training partner, Geeks Of Gurukul. This memorandum of understanding marks the launch of an innovative industrial placement training programs designed to enhance the career readiness of our students. Over the 17 years, Willam Carey University has evolved into leading education institution in the Northeast. With recognitions from the University Grant Commission and approval from the Pharmacy Council of India, we have expanded from a modest beginning with just 4 departments to now offering diverse programs across 28 departments. Our courses span diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD levels. And we pride ourselves on maintaining a rigorous academic schedule and a credit-based system. Our campus is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, including administrative and faculty sections, a comprehensive library, modern computer and science laboratories, and a well-resourced career counseling and placement center. We are committed to providing a safe and conducive learning environment with robust infrastructure and e-governance initiative. Our commitment extends to holistic students' development through various programs, including field trip, intensive, and entrepreneurial development, all aimed at preparing students for the dynamic job market. Today, Memorandum of Understanding with Geeks of Gurukul represents a strategic partnership that will further our missions to provide industry-aligned education. The IPT programs will integrate skill development and practical training from the first years of study through to graduations. Geeks of Gurukuls will offer specialized trainings to enhance students' industry readiness, focusing on key skills that are critical for successful careers. These collaborations also include comprehensive support for intensive and ensure 100% scholarship and 100% placement upon course completions. This partnership is especially significant for students from Meghalaya and the broader northeastern region, who often face challenges assessing industrial placement opportunities in other parts of the country. By bringing these opportunities closer to home, we aim to significantly boost employability and career prospects for our students, aligning with our commitment to the National Education Policy 2020. The NEP 2020 emphasized bridging the gap between vocationals and general education, and our university is actively implementing these guidelines to provide practical and industry-relevant trainings. In addition to our academic initiative, we continue to strengthen our research programs through our Research Development Cell and foster collaborations with various institutions. Our focus on technology-enhanced learning, inclusive education, and community engagements underscores our commitment to national and international development. Willam Carey University remains dedicated to contributing to the visions of Viksit Bharat, transforming India into a developed country, and Saksham Bharat, transforming India into empowered and enabled country. Our aim is to empower our students with the skill and knowledge needed to thrive in increasing competitive global landscape. We are confident that these new collaborations with Geeks of Gurukul will play an important role in enhancing the career readiness of our students and in reinforcing our positions as a leading educational institutions. We look forward to the positive impact this program will have and are excited about the future prospects it holds for our students and the community. Thank you for your attention and continued support. Thank you.
Myself, the Dean School of Professional Studies from Willam Carey University, would like to state that our university here today will be signing the MOU with the IITians initiative, known as the Geeks of Gurukul, which is indeed a proud moment of the university. So basically, these courses offered are the mandatory aspects of the NEP 2020, all comprising of these skill-based training and programs. So basically, under these courses, we have these fundamental and technical courses, which will be offered, and I believe that these will be the open doors for the students seeking job opportunities, which is specifically a job-oriented courses. So besides these, also our university have signed several MOUs with many organizations and state government projects and initiatives. One I would like to mention is with Prime Hub Meghalaya. So this Prime Hub Meghalaya, it is an initiative by our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So presently, I am the director heading the Entrepreneurship Development Cell of the university. So till date, I can proudly say that our university, we are able to uplift the students and societies as a whole, who are the aspiring entrepreneurs, by imparting the knowledge and skills to various programs. Like recently, we had this ideathon where many participants are participated, we give in cash prize. So besides this, also we keep on uplifting them regarding their progress. We also having this design thinking training and exposures with industry experts, pitching ideas for startups, right from idea formulation till the idea execution stage. This also can be done with the help of Prime Hub Meghalaya. So kini kibakwa bandia snow tilang bandia selvi I deploy banwan I pedang subha eki bat kajing kapal jangaru balong ya borok ikana samla pulie jong ka university kiwi na samla pulie I nong song shnong kibakwa ban sengkam na jong ni pedang subha ban yawan ban snow tilang bat kali ka entrepreneurship development cell jong ka university Malaysia.
First of all, thank you very much, Honorable Registrar Sir and esteemed board members and management members of Willam Carey University and media personnel for inviting me here. Myself, Ajay Katana, I am co-founder and CTO of Geeks of Gurukul, and also I am an alumni of IIT Guwahati. Geeks of Gurukul is an education startup which is started 2 years back in Bangalore. Our main objective is to empower Bharat. So as you know, like the students right now, they don't have enough guidance. They are not aware of the industry, whatever things are going on in the industry, and whatever university curriculum is going on, it is very outdated and theoretical as well. So we want to bridge the gap between the university and the industry. So for this, we are taking industrial placement training, and here we will be focusing mainly on the industrial skills. As you can see on the screen, we are 3 founders and we are from IITs and NIT. Chintan Vats, he is from IIT Kharagpur and he is our CEO. Similarly, Neeraj Sahu, he did from NIT Rourkela, and myself Ajay Katana, I am from IIT Guwahati. So again, all the faculty we usually take, they are all IITians. We usually hire everyone IITians only, and they are also industry experts, the people who have already worked in the industry. So again, our whole training is offline mode only. So all our faculty will be coming to the classrooms in Willam Carey universities and they will be training here. Yes. So IPT, Industrial Placement Training, I would like to add more things and tell you about this, what we are actually going to cover. As you know, in Meghalaya, mostly as far as I have observed, students are more keen towards humanities, arts, but the job opportunities in the market are quite limited in those particular sections. So what we believe is, in addition to these humanities, art subjects, students should know some industrial skills. Industrial skills these days which are booming, like MERN stack, MEAN stack, data science, artificial intelligence, graphic designing. If someone is not very comfortable with technical things, they can go for graphic designing, web designing, VFX, 2D and 3D animations. There are many things. So we are going to offer these courses which are actually going to get them placed, which are actually going to get them internships, right? So these skills we'll be focusing on, and again, those who are going to train our students in these skills, they are all IITians, right? So they have their own proven record. So with this thing, we are not only focusing on the education, after this still placements as well. We are the ones who will get them placement opportunities, internship opportunities after every semester. And what we believe is, if the student is regular and they attend the classes, they will be getting a minimum of 5 lakhs per annum. And again, in addition to these technical skills, the other important things are communication. How are we going to deliver? How are we going to behave in an interview? And the soft skill part. And again, aptitude, quantitative aptitude, verbal ability. So all these parts we'll be covering. It's going to be end-to-end placement training. And we believe after this training, students will get placed. It's a 100% commitment from our side. One more thing, according to MEP, right? We also follow MEP, and all our trainings are completely project based. We believe that students should not be learning theoretical stuff. they will be doing everything practically. Right? For example, if we are teaching web designing, they will be building their own Netflix page. They will be building their own Instagram. It's not like we will just tell them, show them some books or something. So this is what we are completely focusing on. And again, every week, students will also get an opportunity to interact with the CTOs, CXOs of top companies. Right? So every week we'll be having industry expert sessions where students, someone from the industry, the top experts, right, will be coming in a Google Meet online meeting, and they will be interacting with the students. So the students will also know like what are the actual things going on in the industry, what is the things that are required, and what are the things we need to learn. And here you can see some of our hiring network. These are the companies which are in our network, and students will be getting the opportunities, placement opportunities from these companies. And coming to the wall of MOUs, we have already partnered with many prestigious universities all over India. You can see, this is Assam Downtown University in Guwahati, Scholars Institute in Guwahati, and SAGE University in Indore. So we have our base in Bangalore, Indore, Bhopal, Guwahati, and now we are coming to Meghalaya. And I'm very thankful for Willam Carey University for tying up this MOU, and we are initiating with this particular university in Meghalaya. And you can see there are so many. We have more than 20 MOUs we have tied up so far. Now our happy students, you can see there are 5,000 plus students who got placed, and their feedback, mostly what they usually say is about the practical learning. They are not given something which is theoretical. They are always said do projects, and they are always emphasized on building things. Yes, and these are some testimonials from our employer part as well. So the summing up everything, we want to give industrial based skilling, and with this we will be giving them placement and internship opportunities as well. And irrespective of your degree, students should have skills. Only people who have skills will be hired in the industry currently. And whatever skills are required in the industry, we need to teach those to the students. We should not be like whatever degrees are there, we need to keep on telling that, but we will be focusing mostly on skills which are required in the industry, like graphic designing, VFX, 2D, 3D animations, the list goes on. Right? And again, thank you very much, Willam Carey University, for this opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Dr. Shatabdi Banerjee, as the LEP coordinator, am pleased to announce that Willam Carey University, a UGC recognized university, has successfully implemented National Education Policy 2020 in the year 2023. As part of this initiative, we have established already a research and development cell under the leadership of Dr. Fabrina Grace Linden, our research director, and an IQAC cell led by Professor Dr. Maitri Roy. She is also the Dean of School of Sciences. Additionally, WCU has a student grievance redressal cell overseen by the Dean of Student Welfare, Professor Dr. Geeta Pial. Willam Carey University has also appointed Professor of Practice and ombudsperson. Almost we have successfully addressed and implemented nearly all key aspects of National Education Policy 2020. And our university is also very committed to student safety and well-being, as demonstrated by our active anti-ragging committee, under which we are observing anti-ragging week from Monday, 12th August 2024. Furthermore, we have established a dedicated entrepreneurship development cell and a training and placement cell led by Mr. Alatar Chirimbai and Mr. Nimesh Kumar. The signing of this MOU is a testament to their unwavering dedication. We are also in the process of signing more MOUs with Indian and foreign universities and also key institutions of Government of India and Government of Meghalaya. Willam Carey University has been a pioneer in promoting multidisciplinary and holistic education since 2018. We have multidisciplinary internship embedded courses which we have already implemented, and with this signing of this MOU with Geeks of Gurukul, we are in the process of upscaling it. In alignment with NEP 2020, we have recently introduced some innovative courses like Global Citizenship and Indian Knowledge System to further support the indigenous knowledge of Meghalaya and other northeastern states. We have established the Indian Indigenous Knowledge System Cell, which will focus on the rich cultural heritage of Meghalaya and other northeastern states. I'm proud to share that Dr. Gaithorliu Fawmi and myself have completed our master's training in Indian Knowledge Systems under the IKS division of Ministry of Education, Government of India, making us the only master trainers in the state of Meghalaya. NEP 2020 emphasizes skill development, and these new upcoming courses are designed to equip students with the skills needed for future employment. We are also excited to announce that we have already started the admission process for the 2024-25 academic sessions. And as part of our commitment to supporting students from the Meghalaya and also other Northeast states, we are offering a fee concession of rupees 10,000 per semester for students of Meghalaya and other Northeastern states. So we warmly welcome students from Meghalaya and across Northeast India to join us in this educational journey. Thank you.
Thank you very much for this wonderful evening. I want to thank the Geeks of Gurukul who had come forward to our university to be able to get this opportunity with our university to sign this MOU. So we are also asked, I as the Dean of the Academics, I would looking forward that more students would be able to enroll themselves so that they will be able to get this opportunity for and able to explore themselves with different industries, to go out from the universities and go for different internship and especially for a job placement. So with this, thank you very much to all of you who are here, all the officers of the university, the press, and the registrar who is here with us today, the dean of professional studies, the NEP coordinator, as well as the admission officer, controller of examination, and I would also like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor, though she is not here in the conference, but she is always there with us, supporting us always and every time. Thank you very much. Sir, we would also like to give you a small token of love from the university. Just a small memento. So I would like the registrar to please kindly felicitate with our memento to the Geeks of Gurukul.
Hello. Thank you to all of you once again. And the signing of Memorandum of Understanding with Geeks of Gurukul comes to an end here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.